There is someone listening right now, yes, you, who has cried in the night, but your morning is about to break forth. Beloved, Psalm 30 is a psalm of divine reversal, a chapter that reminds us that God does not leave his children in the same condition he found them. David begins this psalm with a shout of gratitude. I will extol thee, O Lord, for thou hast lifted me up. That means God has a way of pulling you out of places where life tried to bury you. Maybe you're in a season where it feels like things are not moving. Doors have delayed, people have disappointed you, prayers seem unanswered. But hear this, you are not stuck. You are being set up. Psalm 30 verse 5 declares something many people quote, but don't fully grasp. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. This is not poetry. This is a divine guarantee. Your night season is not a permanent address. It is a temporary passage to your next testimony. 1. God knows your night season. Your night may be a season of loneliness, a season of financial battles, a season of health challenges, a season of emotional pressure. But God is not intimidated by nights. He created the night and also created the morning, meaning he controls both seasons. Even when you feel silent, he is working. Even when you feel weak, he is strengthening you. The night is not a punishment, it is preparation. 2. God specializes in lifting. David said, Lord, you lifted me up. This means God lifts people from fear into boldness. God lifts people from shame into honor. God lifts people from sorrow into dancing. God lifts people from defeat into victory. Your story's about to change. Heaven is rewriting your chapter. 3. God turns mourning into dancing. Later in Psalm 30:11, David shouts, Thou hast turned my mourning into dancing. The same God who saw your tears is the God who will fill your mouth with laughter. The same God who watched your pain will establish your celebration. God does not just deliver, he transforms. He does not just restore, he multiplies. He does not just rescue, he renews. 4. Your morning is coming. Maybe you feel like your night has lasted too long, but in God's calendar, every night has an expiry date. Your joy has a scheduled arrival. Your breakthrough has a divine appointment, and your morning is closer than you think. The enemy wants you to believe the night will swallow you, but the light of God is about to burst forth. Prepare your heart because your morning will surprise you. Hold on. Keep believing. Keep praying. Keep trusting. God is about to turn your story into a testimony that will shock even you. If you're believing God for your morning season, type this in the comments. My joy is coming.